mayam sisna video school ahum punsila kan sembake si video asiko haidi sisna ek gi enlightened knowledge ek higher secondary school gi moi gisu admission form thagre class 11 gi ko aduga mai gi admission form se admission form issue 20 May tangpun dagi tha du male moi se 20 May digi hai issue tawne aduga moi facility se charak pairake ek gi se the student who had scored 80% in the examination bosem will be given free admission free both for boys and girls ko nupa ga nupi gi 80% pu la ga di secure ga di moi free admission phangani the student who had scored 85% and above 10 exam for the board will be given free admission fee tuition fee and hostel fee both for boys and girls moi smine pi admission je ma'am 20 day thani form je ko aduga moi PCC si bu gumlung la di si kana ba sing je phangani hai ma'am ko sini ek gi ne aduga sis namu ma'am Saint Anthony moi sigi school gi sumai admission form thare ko sis namu class 11 gi science ne adugi humanity streams arts ne magi aduga moi class se June gi tang ahum dagi hauni hai nitokab nuti office ki timing na pung 10 dagi na pung 2 makhai phoba aduga ma'am sis namu Olivia Higher Secondary School Kanglatong bi Imphal West Manipur moi gi se admission form je thare class 11 gi ko arts ki su science ki su thare aduna moi gi su scholarship scheme yam pi ma'am si yengmina si ko haidi 70% and above phangba kangu zo free admission and 50% school fee only ko aduga 65% and above phangba kangu duna free admission oi moi gi na aduga moi se adum kano adum haidi arts to science to dum chai khuding gi dum top position puthok pa school ne ko moi sida advertise to mm yo puthok pa kangu gi aduga moi gi khudong cha bu su yamna pi khre moi gi se ko aduga na isana check tawja gyar su moi sida website pire www.ohss.in sida sanga kana website sanga akupa moron khang bayani aduga aina main oina haning isna ma'am mogi application form thare admission form thare ba ko mogi sida Olivia Higher Secondary School la tamning ba kangu do moi asigi form chatla kana school chatla kana form lobiro adukanda moi 75% aduga mathakta leiba adu 60% aduga mathakta leiba kangu leiragadi aduga mogi sogum ba su haidi kano piri ko haidi scholarship scheme ko adu sukumba kana ba su lobi yu me ko thank you